Hey, what's up guys? Check it out. Look, well, first I'm drawing a little beard here, so I'm just testing something out, see how things look. But anyway, check it out. I got my Mavic right here, and I'm gonna try to attach these two LED flashlights to the sides of it. I found two spots that I can probably put them in, which is right here and the opposite side. And the only thing I have to avoid, I guess, is these sensors down here. This sensor, and that one right there. So I thought maybe putting some black tape, electrical tape around, and just like tape it right here, going around with the LED lights to see what happens. Let me gonna test that. I could probably mount them on the top here like this. I think I could probably get away with that too. So I'm gonna do a little test. Okay, so I figured I put the tape around like this, trying to avoid these sensors here, and like put the flashlights like this. So I ran out of tape, so I couldn't do it. So I'm gonna have to stop by Lowe's or something and pick up some of that electrical tape to try to mount these guys in. I didn't have enough tape. I thought I didn't have any. But anyway, I'm gonna try to mount those up like that. And I still got my Phantom here, the standard one. And see the antenna that I had here, from the long range one. I think I'm going to revert this back to the normal standard antenna, because I don't think I'm going to be using it to go far on this drone, because I mean, I like this antenna. It actually makes it go really far, but the only thing is you have to keep this direction, it's a directional one where you would have to just keep it straight. As soon as you move it out the way, like from move it slightly a little bit, you lose connection. That's the only thing I don't like about this, but it actually goes really, really far. It really takes it far. So I'm not gonna be flying this on far away anymore. So most likely I'm gonna revert this one back to the regular normal antenna on the Phantom standard here. And I gotta charge these batteries. This one is almost completely dead here. So I have to plug that in. And I'm going to be going out there and making a lot more flights as soon as the weather gets better. Right now it's freezing out, so I don't like to freeze my hands, but I'll try to. I believe this week it's supposed to be easing off a little bit. I think in the 50s. I'll try to get out there and make a flight. I actually want to test this one out, the Mavic, out over in the ocean, and see how that goes. And maybe go a little far, but not too far on it, because I really don't, trust. I don't want to lose the Mavic. I actually don't want to lose any of them. But so guys, I'm gonna stay tuned for some more videos. And guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so. And I'm gonna catch you guys later on the next video. Peace out.